Yes, sir. About to head to the crib right now. Got a little unboxing for y'all. I know it's been a long time. James Berry out West Tactical Arms. Holler at me, hear me.
Gunman, yes I am the gunman. Hollows have you numbing if you run up on me. No, I am not frontin', this is how I function. I got all the youngins thinking about that money. Bustin' on this Sunday, back to work on Monday. Gunman, pack an extra drumming. I put that on.
What's good, family? It's James Berry out West Tactical Arms. Coming at you with another little video. I ain't at the range this time. But yeah, my people was telling me, like, man, you need to make a couple more of them videos when you're at the range shooting your little firearms, man. We was digging them. So I'm like, yeah, I got you. But for now, this is an unboxing from the M&P Smith & Wesson. You hear me? Chambered in 9mm. So you know they already come with 2 magazines. Some of y'all call them clips out there, but we call them magazine, us gun guys and gals. And like I said, it's chambered in 9mm, but this one holds 8 rounds, and this one is 7 rounds. You know what I'm saying? So it come with your lock. So if you traveling or you got kids in the house and you want to lock it, you want to be safe, there you go, right there. And I believe this is for when you're at the range, and this is the slide opener. You know, you can let them know that you got it open when they do the, you know, when they stopping and doing a little test or seeing or whatever, cleaning up, or you go picking up your targets or whatnot. Excuse me, I'm over here blabbing, but yeah, let's get to it. Because here's that M&P SHIELD I was talking about. Chambered in 9mm. Now, the good thing about this that I really love is that it's a 3.1 inch barrel and it's 6.1 inches overall. So this is the M2.0 model, so I think that's the model 2.0. Oh, another thing about it is the CTC equipped Crimson Trace laser, baby. This laser by itself is at least $250, probably $300. And the thing about it, it was the same price as the one without being CTC equipped at the store I went to. I went to 2 of them. One of them had it for over $500. I got this one for $450 plus tax, so it came up to taxes on firearms is pretty penny. It was like $30 more, so it was like $480, something like that. I believe for a little bit over $480. But yeah, I love it. I love it already. I haven't shot it yet. I just got it today. I said I was gonna make a little unboxing video. I haven't really done nothing with it. But this weekend I will take it out, and if I get any footage, I will add it to the description, or I might just make a totally new video of me shooting it. Now, like I was saying, this is 3.1 inches in the barrel, 6.1 inches total length. Perfect for concealed carry. Right now I carry a Glock 19. But this, no, it was either this or the Glock 43. Glock 43 is the same size, basically. It's probably a little, I don't know, I'm thinking it's the same size. It's a couple videos when they got the reviews on both back to back, so you can go check them out. You type it up. But the thing about the Glock 43 is that it's way less rounds in the magazine. Way less. I think it's about 6 or 7 or whatever. I think it's less than this one. And this one is 7. So it got to be at least 6. If you know, let me know below. But yeah, that's all I wanted to show y'all. It's not much. I ain't gonna hold y'all too long. I just want to show y'all what I got because I was excited. I've been wanting one of these for a long time. And like I said, this Crimson Trace just took the cake. Once I seen this, I was like, oh yeah, I just gotta get it. And I just love the way it fit in my hand, especially with the magazine in there. Sorry. It's empty, I'm sorry. I'm supposed to check that first. Safety check so none of y'all get shot. But yeah. There you go, right there. James Berry, Out West Tactical Arms. Oh, one thing. Little cleaning tool, I believe. Now, I think this is one of the tools for, because here's the thumb safety, you know what I'm saying? A lot of people, I mean, this is my safety right here, but there's a safety for people that got glove safeties, you know. My Glock does not have a safety. It's the safe action trigger, you know. But yeah, I think this one of these tools is for the slide lock, which a lot of people hate. That's another safety tool. If you got kids around, you can slide lock it, stick it in there and lock it. And I think it adjusts the beam also. It's a couple of things you can use it for. But yeah, that's it, man. I just wanted to holler at y'all real quick. I ain't talk to y'all in a minute. I told you I wasn't gonna hold you long, but holler at me when you can. James Berry, Out West Tactical Arms. You hear me? Baby, even though I just met you, even though we just got together, I dedicate this song to you, 100%. You hear me? You don't understand. By the way, why are you so quiet over there? Oh, okay. We're gonna take all that off when we get home. Taking all that off.
All you crooked ass police is always up to something. Avoiding all the Anna just cause I'm the gunman. Copping bolts of ammo just cause I'm the gunman. Look, I practice with the hammer just cause I'm the gunman. Whole team keep it active just cause I'm the gunman. Gunman, 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 yes I am the gunman. Hollows have you numbing if you run up on me. No, I am not frontin', this is how I function. I got all my family focused on it money.